your hair feels tired like mine. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. A few months ago, I honestly thought my hair was just stuck like this, dry, rough, always breaking. I blamed everything, weather, stress, bad luck. But really, my hair was missing something important. Care that wasn't hard, but actually effective. That's when I found Seren Extra Mild Shampoo, and I will be honest, at first I thought just another shampoo. But this one different, enriched with hair lipids and amino acids plus UV filters and antioxidants. It cleans without stripping. My hair finally felt clean and calm at the same time. Then came to Seren Nutri-Repair Conditioner. This one packed with extra conditioning nutrient and hair repair. I could feel the difference from day one. My ends stopped feeling like straw. But the real finishing touch, Trichoz Intensive Hair Serum, a full blend conditioner, amino acids, UV filters, moisturizers, and what I love, no stickiness, just soft protected hair. I love this. I didn't need 10 products. I just needed the right one. Serene shampoo, Nutri Repair Conditioner, Trichoz Serum. Simple, real, effective. If your hair feels tired like mine, maybe it's just waiting for a little reset. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.